The pharmacy.
Hello, I need some help, please.
Of course. How can I help you today?
I'm not feeling very well.
I'm sorry to hear that. What are your symptoms?
I have a headache and a sore throat.
Do you also have a fever?
A small one, I think,
How long have you felt this way?
since last night.
Have you taken any medicine already?
No, not yet.
Are you allergic to any medication?
No, I'm not.
That's good to know.
I didn't want to see a doctor yet.
That's understandable for mild symptoms.
I just need something to feel better.
I can recommend pain relief tablets.
Will they help with the headache?
Yes, and they can reduce fever too.
What about the sore throat?
Throat lozenges can help soothe it.
I'll take those as well.
Do you prefer a mint or honey flavor?
Honey, please.
That's a popular choice.
How often should I take the tablets?
Every 6 hours after food.
Should I rest today?
Yes, rest and drink plenty of water.
I've been very busy lately.
That can weaken the body.
I guess I need a break.
Your health is important.
If I don't feel better, should I see a doctor?
Yes, especially if symptoms last more than 2 days.
Thank you for explaining everything clearly.
You're welcome.
How much do I owe you?
It's $12.50 in total.
I'll pay by card.
Please tap here.
Done.
I hope you feel better soon.
Thank you for your help.
Take care and rest well.
Talking at home.
You're home early today.
Yes, work was lighter than usual.
That's good. You look tired, though.
It's been a long week.
Do you want some tea?
That would be nice.
I'll make it.
Thank you.
How was your day overall?
Busy but productive.
Did everything go as planned?
Mostly, a few small problems.
Problems always appear.
Yes, but we solved them.
That's what matters.
How about your day?
It was calm. I worked from home.
That must have been comfortable.
It was. I liked the quiet,
Home feels peaceful in the evenings.
especially when we talk like this.
I agree.
Sometimes I think we don't talk enough,
Life gets busy.
but moments like this are important.
They help us stay close.
Here's your tea.
Thank you. It smells good.
I added honey.
Perfect.
Are you hungry?
A little.
Dinner will be ready soon.
I can help if you want.
That would be nice.
Cooking together is relaxing.
It feels like teamwork.
Just like everything else.
I'm glad we're home now.
Me too. Home is where we recharge.
Tomorrow will be another busy day.
But tonight we can rest.
That's enough for now.
Yes, let's enjoy the quiet.
Buy clothes.
Excuse me, I'm looking for a jacket.
Sure. What kind of jacket do you need?
Something warm for winter.
Do you prefer short or long?
Maybe a long coat.
We have several options here.
This one looks nice.
That's one of our best sellers.
Is it very heavy?
It's warm, but not too heavy.
Can I try it on?
Of course, the fitting room is over there.
Thank you.
How does it feel?
It's comfortable, but maybe a little tight.
Would you like to try one size bigger?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
This fits much better.
It looks great on you.
Thank you. I like the color too.
Dark colors are easy to match.
That's true.
Do you need anything else?
Maybe a scarf.
We have wool scarves over here.
This one is soft.
It's very warm as well.
I'll take both.
Great choice.
How much is everything?
The coat is $80 and the scarf is $15.
That's reasonable.
Would you like to pay by cash or card?
Card, please.
Please tap here.
Done.
Thank you.
I'm ready for winter now.
Stay warm.
I will. Thanks for your help.
At the sports club.
Hi, I'd like some information about joining the club.
Sure. Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is.
Welcome. What kind of activities are you interested in?
I want to stay fit and reduce stress.
Then you came to the right place.
What facilities do you have?
We have a gym, a swimming pool, and yoga classes.
That sounds great.
Do you prefer group classes or individual workouts?
Maybe a mix of both.
Many members feel the same.
I've never used gym equipment before.
Don't worry, we offer free training sessions for beginners.
That's reassuring.
Our trainers will guide you.
How often are the yoga classes?
3 times a week in the evening.
Evening classes work better for me.
Most working people prefer that.
What about membership fees?
We have monthly and yearly plans.
Which one is more affordable?
The yearly plan saves money in the long run.
I want to try first.
You can start with a 1-month plan.
That sounds reasonable.
Would you like a tour of the club?
Yes, please.
This way. Here's the gym area.
It's clean and spacious.
We clean it several times a day.
I like the atmosphere here.
A positive space helps motivation.
I've been sitting at a desk all day for years.
Exercise will help your posture and energy.
I think this is what I need.
I'm glad to hear that.
I'll sign up for the monthly plan.
Great choice. Let's get you started.
Thank you for your time.
You're welcome. We're happy to have you.
Order a coffee.
Excuse me, I think there's a problem with my order.
I'm sorry to hear that. What seems to be the issue?
I ordered grilled chicken, but this looks like beef.
Let me check.
I might be mistaken, but I don't think this is chicken.
You're right. This is beef. I apologize for the mistake.
It's okay, I just wanted to mention it.
Thank you for telling me calmly.
I understand. Mistakes happen.
We'll fix it right away.
How long will it take?
About 12 minutes.
That's fine.
Would you like a free drink while you wait?
That's very kind. Thank you.
We always try to make things right.
I appreciate that.
The kitchen is preparing your correct dish now.
Good. I was very hungry.
I understand.
The restaurant is quite busy tonight.
Yes, weekends are always crowded.
The atmosphere is nice, though.
Thank you. We try to keep it welcoming.
I'll definitely come again.
We're glad to hear that.
Mistakes happen, but good service matters.
That's our goal.
Here comes the new plate.
Please check if everything is correct.
Yes, this is grilled chicken.
Perfect. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a pleasant evening.